Hi, hello friends. Today we will see how to optimize a query using indexes. So the today conversation on how we will create the indexes on the table and what are the advantages of an index and what are the disadvantages and what are the covering index will be discussed in the future future lectures, right? So today we will only see the indexes and how we can create the index and see the real examples of indexes, right? So as you can see, I have prepared some table or one table. The name of table is person or persons. So persons have five columns. If you see that, the person id, name, city, manager and salary. So person ID is the primary key of table. It is an auto increment or identity table, identity column. So if you people know about the SQL server, so you know identity column is nothing but the auto incremented column. And name, city and manager are the varchar or string kind of columns. So varchar columns, and salary is nothing but the integer column. So this is my table, and table have approximately 1 crore records. So there are 1 crore and 2 records in the table. And in the table the primary key is person id. So the system automatically create the cluster index on the primary key. If you see this is the cluster index that is made by the system onto the person table. So this is the structure of our table, right? So these are the columns. This is the primary key and there is an index on the table. The name of column index is pk person and some GUID is given to the column, right? So if you see the structure of my so this is the local database I have created. The name of database is demo and only one user, that is me, is connected with this database. It have one table. The name of table is person and it has 1 crore and 2 records, right? Now what I am doing, as I am saying, there are only one cluster index on the primary key person id, and I want to know all the salaries all the salaries which which are less than 20,000, right? So I want to know all the salaries which are less than 20,000. So now I am running this query, and if you see that, just give some time, so it will complete it. Yeah, so if you see that 10 lakh 2 records are fetched from the system or are the output of the system, right? So this is 10 lakh and 2 records, as I know. Even you can also count it. So this is the 10 lakh 2 records are fetched from the system. Time taken by the query is 6 seconds. So this is the query what I have run and what is the output, right? Now we will see what exactly done by the SQL server to get this output, right? So or what is the plan of the query, right? So if you peoples are using the SQL server management studio, you know there is one option. The name of option is include live query statics. If you click on this and again run the query, you will see the plan of the query, right? So now I'm executing this query and just give some seconds, it will complete it, the query, right? So yes, the query is completed now, and the output of the query is given here, right? So this is the output of the query, and these are the statics shown in the here, right? So what we are doing, we are taking the screenshot of this and copy and paste here. Sorry, again we will see the statistics in the screen and copy and paste this plan, right? Just give me 1 minute. I'm just cutting and paste this record to another folder here, right? Just to see something, right? So this is the output of the query plan, right? So if you see that the cluster index will be scanned. So if you see that the cluster index is scanned, so query is very good, right? But how much record should be readed by the system is the real thing. So if you see that the number of rows to be readed is 1 crore, right? And output is only 10 lakh 2 records, right? So how much record has been read from the system or from the database or from the storage is 1 crore records, right? So entire table has been read, and after that 10 lakh 2 record will be phased out, right? So this is the thing when we are not creating an index on the table, right? Even you can see that there is a missing index kind of information is given by the system, right? So if we are not creating the index, the entire rows should be rated by the system to get which are the rows those are less than 20, those have salary less than 20,000. Now what we are doing, as we have to get the salary, we can directly create an index on the salary, right? So what we will do, create an index, name of the index is salary index on table persons, and the column included in this index is only one column, the name of column is salary, right? Now I am creating this index, so I'm executing this query and give me some time. It will create the index on the table, right? So uh, yeah, so query is completed and index is made. Now I am again running the same query, right? I'm running the same query. If you see this, now the index is used is non-cluster index, but in uh, but when the output, yeah, so output is ready. Now I am again taking the print screen and I'm showing you the comparison right now. So when we have made it an index on this, what we have achieved, right? This is the motive of this system. Okay, so uh, give me 1 minute. Okay, okay, so there is a tool, right? And 1 minute. Yeah, so this is the output and I'm taking this query plan output and paste it here, right? So when I'm running the same query, before this, if you see the rows I have read is 1 crore. Now I am reading the rows is only 10 lakh, right? So now I am only read the rows those are required, because I am using only the column that is included into the index, right? So when I'm getting the output, and I am taking the column that is in output, and I am taking the output that is in where clause, then only the cluster index, no, the non-cluster index has been used. If you see here, only the non-cluster index has been used to get the output table, right? So what we have achieved before that, if you see that the IO cost is 43, now the IO cost is 1 point. So the operation cost is out of 100% is now 20%, that is before this is 43%, right? sorry, 46%. So by creating an index we have achieved the 20 approximately 20% of performance improvement by creating the index on the column, right? On this on a column salary, right? If you see again the execution cost, so number of executions are there is 8. Before that, now it is 1, right? So if you see that the when we are creating the non-cluster index on a column, that has been used in the selects as well as in the where clause, then the performance will be improved. But sometimes that is our assumptions is that if a column in the where clause, and maybe there are many other column in the select clause, the cluster index sorry, the index will be used because that is made on the where clause column, right? That is completely wrong assumption. If you see the again the execution plan, the cluster index has been used and the rows will be fetched. Just give a second. It is completed 100%. If you see this, the 1 crore records has been, the 1 crore record has been readed and the cluster index has been used. No, non-cluster index that is made on the salary column has been not used, right? And the we are not getting the benefit of the index that has been made on the salary column, right? If we are using only one column salary, then only the benefit has been used, right. So if you see this, this is the thing. A non-cluster index has been improved, right? If you see that the 10 lakh records has been output, now I am doing again. Okay, so now we will see how to get the records using cluster index, right? So we want all the persons, all the first 10 lakh persons, right? So we can say that we need all the first 10 lakh persons, right? So what exactly happened? Those are inserted into the table first, have the smaller person id, because person id is a auto incremented column. So what I am doing, I am getting all the persons which have the person id less than 10 lakh. So I am getting the 10 lakh record in this manner. So I'm executing this query right now. So I am getting this, right? This is an output. So just give me one minute. Okay. Okay, so I'm getting 9,99,999 records in 8 seconds, right? Now as you can see that person ID is the primary key of the table and cluster index has been made on this column, right? So salary index we have made it, that is a non-cluster index, and cluster index is the is on the, if you want to see this, just modify this column 1 minute or double click on this. We will see it later. So if you see this, there are the 10 lakh records we are fetched from the system, and the primary key or the cluster index has been used for it, right? So again we have seen the execution plan for this. So cluster index has been seeked out and the output has been made, right? So just give some time to complete this query, right? So it is completed 101%, right? And I am taking the printout to compare this thing, right? No, again I will take the printout of this, not print out this screenshot, and cut this and paste it here. So this one is the cluster index kind of thing. So this is cluster index C. If you see there, the 9,89,000 rows has been read out, and 9,89,000 rows has been output, right? Even the rows are outputs 9,99,999. But the thing is, if you see this, estimated IO cost is greater in comparison of index or non-cluster index. Why it is so? So this is the question to you guys. Just give a comment on the video, and we will discuss in the future. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, please like it. Thank you all.